So let's talk about this devalued paper currency, because economic history is quite hard. If you have not studied economics, it can be hard to understand because money is actually imaginary. So think of paper currency at this time as if it was money that's coming from different countries. So you might have a dollar from Australia that is actually worth 67 cents of American dollars. Think of that as the bank issued money. The US dollar that you can exchange direct for gold, we can't today, but then you could. The US dollar is the gold value. So work through my example here. Farmer Phyllis has a bunch of wheat, and if she got that wheat to Boston, she would get $200 for it. She also needs to buy a new plow. The shopkeeper near her doesn't offer her $200 US. He offers her $200 Australian. That's the same as being offered paper currency in the early republic. She can't spend the Australian dollars, but it does represent some value, and it's the only thing the shopkeeper is offering. So she takes her 200 Australian for her wheat, goes over to the blacksmith to get a plow. The blacksmith says, I don't take Australian dollars. So now Phyllis is stuck with $200 Australian, no plow. What's she going to do? Speculator Steve shows up and offers Phyllis $50 US for the Australian dollars. The farmer is stuck. There's nothing she can do but exchange that 200 Australian for $50 US so that she can get her plow. Blacksmith Betty gets her $50 for the plow. The shopkeeper sends the wheat to the market in Boston, gets his $200 US. The speculator just holds on to that Australian dollar money until he's able to exchange it for the amount of US currency that he wants. And the farmer feels like she's the one who's lost out here. Everybody else has gotten the full price for what they want, except for her. She never got the full price for her wheat.